Hello everyone, I thought I'm going to show you how I pick up stitches for my Full of Minis hat. Just to let you know, the link to the paid for pattern is down below, so if you're interested to knit a hat, you need minimum 24 5-gram minis to do it, and the trick is that you try to make sure that they're contrast, so it's way easier to pick up stitches. So let's see how I do it. I hold my yarn in the left hand, and now I'm actually holding whole hat in the air, so it'll be a little bit tricky. As you can see, there's the fine line of the different color. I'm going with the pink because it's easier for me to see, and this is how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, there's many ways of doing and picking up those stitches. This is my way. Try to find your one. When you have so many folds as I do over here, obviously it's get heavier and better to put it down. So big thanks to Seb for helping me out in this one. Bye.